fellow Kenyans. I wonder what your new year resolutions were when you started 2020. For me, I really wanted a vacuum cleaner. So I've been working from home and I'm like, oh my god, let me just save up this cafe that I'm not going to work with. Need a new vacuum cleaner. And I'm like, yes, it's here finally. And to take you guys through the unboxing process. I'll also show you a few tricks here and there. So join me in this. I'm excited. So yeah, I already opened the box. So let's see what's inside. I got this one at Carrefour. I've been watching videos on YouTube. People are saying, oh, it's cheaper there than the website for Ramtons. So honestly, it's the same price for me. So we have this black, let me call it a pipe. I think I'll find its name once the manual is here. That's number one. Okay, so the baby is right here. The big baby is right here. Let me see. Ooh. Come out. Ooh. Oh my god, vloggers, even those struggles. So I'm in my two socks. Who wants to look at the baby? Yep. 360 view. all right, that's a plug. It's pretty long, guys. So Taonesha how many rooms I can maneuver with the cable. Yep. So yeah, let's go. What else is in here? Oh, okay. So we have this pipe. I'll still call it a pipe. Metallic pipe. It's metallic. Jeez. Wait, how do people record? This is the pipe. This is the pipe, guys. This is the pipe. All right, I'll put it down here. Okay. So let me see how you open here. Okay, so let's see. You pull. You do this. To enable. It's not rocket science, my people. It's easy. Yeah, quite easy. Be careful. And voila. Woo. Okay, voila. Oh my god, doing it with my left hand is harder. Sawa. Voila, what we have here. Okay. It's detaching. I'll put it on the chair so that I can just show you what's here. It has this filter already in the... It comes with this filter. So this filter can be replaced. I asked at Carrefour and they said you can get it from the Ramtons shop when ikiisha with time. Yeah, so this is for the dry. All right, guys, let's be clear. It has like a material for blanket, so if you put anything wet, of course it cringe. Stindo. All right. Another thing, it's this filter. So this one is for the wet surfaces. Inaka plasticky, so water can actually pass through and it can easily even be dried outside. Yeah, so these things can be replaced, the filters, right? School is Daisha. So that's that. All right, what's next? So this big baby here as well. Okay, this is how it looks. That's that. And then we have more. Oh, there's so much here. Cinder. So let me go through the manual and see how to assemble these things, and then we can work. So it's actually big. This can do a lot of, this is a lot of space, yani. Even exactly in a whole week. Okay, see you soon in the next video.